Hello, my beautiful family. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can start your English practicing at home. थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश बोलने से स्टार्ट नहीं, हिंदी बोलने से स्टार्ट करते हैं. क्या आप भी मेरी तरह इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं? क्या आपके पास भी कोई पार्टनर नहीं है जिसके साथ आप इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिसिंग कर सकें? यार इंग्लिश पार्टनर तो हैं, बट यार वो मेरे फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं. जब मैं उनके साथ इंग्लिश बोलती हूँ तो मुझे डर लगता है यार, क्योंकि ये ही लोग मेरा फ़न बना सकते हैं इंग्लिश बोलने में. सो यार इस चीज़ को रिमूव करने के लिए आई हैव अ बेस्ट टॉपिक जिससे आप प्रैक्टिसिंग कर सकते हैं. दैट यू कैन लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज, यू कैन ट्राई टू स्पीक विद डिफरेंट पीपल एंड यू कैन इम्प्रूव दिस लैंग्वेज. सो वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड बिकॉज यार मैं आई विल ट्राई टू यूज़ वेरी सिंपल इंग्लिश दैट यू कैन लर्न, you can understand and you can try to speak. So hi, my name is Neetu. I'm connecting from you in Delhi. Yeah, I love this language and this is my passion to speak in English. And here I'm uploading English conversations video that you can see. As a housewife, I start my English journey and right now I'm doing a job, as I told you in so many videos that yes, I started doing a job in a company. So 10 to 6 it is my office timing. So when we can connect 6, not 6, 7 to 8, I'll try to connect with you and I will try to talk in audio calls at least 15 to 20 minutes. I will try to do a audio calls, but the problem is that it is not for everyone. But yes, here I am just wanted to tell you that I am making a group in that you can easily find a good person. If you are female, you want to start English conversations with females, definitely you can comments me, ma'am, I want to learn this language and definitely I want to speak English with only females. So you can try to you can comments me, that definitely I will add you in that group. And if you are a man, you want to practice with men, female, in whatever you want, so you can send me that and I will add you in different groups. It's I am making this videos, I am making this groups only for females because they are not comfortable with men. So don't think a negative, okay? And so like 10 to 15 minutes I will try to make audio calls with different the people. But yes, together I just want to tell you that guys, if you really want to learn this language, this is the best time. And you know how I am managing to learn this language? 10 to 6 it is my office timing. I came back, I come at my home 7:30 to 7, in around in that. So after that I realized that Neetu, you don't need to waste your time because 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes it is my time to take a rest. So in that I'll just put headphones in my ear. I start finding someone whom I can start English practicing at home. You want to really do practicing at home, but you don't have partner. And seriously, I want to tell you this thing. Whenever I try to speak with my family members, I always think about in my mind, Neetu, if you try to speak with your family members, if suppose that if you are making mistakes, so maybe they what they will think about you, maybe they can make fun of you. So at that time I was thinking like that, but now I changed my thought. I try to do my English practicing with different people. They don't know, I don't know about them, so I just try to keep conversation. And definitely it's just I wanted to tell you that in that conversation I never to do a top in a talk in a topic. I just start with doing a normal conversation, what you are doing yesterday, what you will do tomorrow, what is your aim. So definitely I will try to speak a normal conversations. In that you can easily give me the answer. You don't need to think about that particular topic. Oh, today I have to discuss about this topic. No, we will try to speak normal conversation. We will start, and after that we will think about that. At that time you have to realize that we just need to focus on speaking, not about fluency, not about advanced English. No, we just need to do a normal conversation, normal English we have to use. And in that I just want to tell you only one thing. English speaking is one of the best thing that I am wondering. I am just learning this language, and I am reading, I am listening, I am writing. But it will not work until you will not start speaking. So this is my story, and I hope you like this video. You will try to, if you are finding someone to start your English practicing with, so this is the one of the best video I am making for you, because I am also learner like you, and I am also finding a person whom I can start my English practicing at home. I hope you will definitely, you will comments me, because I know you are also searching someone you whom you can start English practicing. So have a nice day. I hope you like this video and you will subscribe my channel. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.